Here at Crypto Recon, we do more than just provide research and information about microcap cryptocurrencies. We also have some good advice for you at any stage of life that you happen to be in. If you're a college senior and you're graduating soon, the next few months can be torture if you do not have a job lined up. All right, you're going to be going to parties, functions, events. You're going to be meeting the friends of your parents. You're going to be meeting the parents of your friends, and they're going to ask you, "What are you doing after college?" And if you tell them you don't have a job, they're going to think you're a loser. All right, and they don't want to talk to you anymore. But here's what you can say to get you through those awkward moments at a party. Just tell them you're going to develop APIs for the graph cryptocurrency. And then shut up, all right? And then shut up. Don't say a word. Hopefully, they'll say, "Good job, congratulations, way to go," and they won't think that you wasted the last 4 or 5 years of your life. Okay? If they do push you and ask you what's the graph or what's an API or what are you doing again, just tell them that the graph is a decentralized application that indexes and queries blockchain data. And then shut up, and hopefully they won't ask you any more questions. You'll get a pat on the back, and hopefully you'll never have to talk to those people ever again. But in all seriousness, today's about the graph cryptocurrency, GRT. It's going for $1.60, so it's doing better than most South American currencies. All right, let's get some things out of the way. This is for information only. Do I own it? Yes. Is it on Coinbase? Yes. So let's get started about learning about GRT. All right, so what many have tried to define GRT as the Google of the blockchain. All right, so if you're old enough to remember when the internet first came out, you know that searching for stuff was kind of cumbersome. Either you didn't find what you wanted or you didn't get anything at all. And then along came Google, and they made the search process a whole lot easier so that just whatever you're searching for, even if you spell it wrong, you can usually find the info that you need. All right, and before Google, there was Ask Jeeves, Explorer, Safari, Bing, MSN, all of these search engines, but the king, the Rolls Royce of all of them, is Google. Right? And so in a way, that's what GRT is. It indexes and queries blockchain data. And so this is really good if you're trying to find the best place to do yield farming, if you are searching for particular kinds of transactions that happen on a network, if you're looking for the best place to stake tokens, if you're providing liquidity to a pool, this is the perfect thing for you. Okay? Or that's what the graph does. The graph is the code, the source code, the infrastructure, the chassis which this indexing and querying app runs on. It uses ERC20 tokens, but that's not really important for this because hopefully in the future the developers at Graph will be able to work across all blockchains, all cryptocurrencies. All right, now there are a couple different ways to make money with the Graph GRT. One is to become that developer, to create indexing and querying applications for different transactions or functions that occur inside the blockchain. Right? And for doing that, if you create something valuable that people want, like yield farming, there are people called customers, consumers, and they will pay you in GRT coins for that information. So you develop a blockchain search engine, so to speak, and they pay you in coins for that data. Okay, so that's how you would make it as a developer of that API. Now consumers, they're paying for that information, so they can use that to find the best place to stake whatever coin they happen to be using for the best return on their investment. And the third way is to become It's like an angel investor, okay? And you buy GRT coins and you provide them you stake them with a developer, and you share in whatever revenue they create. So it's a revenue sharing agreement. Okay, there are also some number of other rules within the GRT ecosystem, but those are the main three. Either you're a consumer and you're buying the data, either you're a developer and you're creating the data, or you're a angel investor or venture capitalist type person and you're providing the opportunity for that developer to provide the data. So I hope I've done the graphs some justice today. Full disclosure, I do not have a background in IT or computers. I've been in cryptocurrency for a number of years now, and I thought I could explain most concepts fairly intelligently, and I hope I've done that today. But really, if you need help falling asleep tonight, please go check out the Graphs website. It is chock full of all the technical jargon, lingo, and concepts of what they're trying to do here. It'll make total sense, or it'll put you to sleep. Okay, but that's the graph. Thank you for watching Crypto Recon, where microcap coins get love too.